Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be filming this makeup look. That is my go-to makeup look. I'm not a makeup artist, but whenever I do apply makeup, this is the look that I go for. So let me teach you how to do this type of makeup look step by step. So before I move on to my makeup, first I want to talk about my skincare. So my skincare routine is quite simple. I usually use this moisturizer by Pond's, and I have acne prone and combination skin, also sensitive, not to forget. So this moisturizer has been I've been using it for years, and this is such a good moisturizer. But before this moisturizer, I use 3 drops of niacinamide first. This is by The Ordinary. I've already finished 2 bottles of it, and the 3rd bottle is on its way. So I won't be using it today because I really don't have it. So I'll start with the moisturizer first. I really don't like heavy foundation on my face, so what I do, I apply lots of moisturizer so that the foundation gets really absorbed in my skin and it looks quite natural. And for lips, I either use this Vaseline lip care or I use this Laneige lip sleeping mask that I've recently got. So either of these. So this is to prep my lips before I do my makeup. This actually smells really good. So that's it for my skincare. I really don't have much to do. And I have acne prone and sensitive skin. I am always careful about what skincare products I'm choosing for my skin. So far only this moisturizer that I've shown you earlier and niacinamide has been working for my skin. And now it's time for makeup. This is my makeup kit where I keep all the makeup products that I'm going to use today, and I have So let's start. So for the base, I'm not using any primers today, and I'll only be using this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This actually really suited my skin. I was using Maybelline Fit Me foundation before and it was good enough, but I thought of giving it a try, and I am really amazed by how natural it looks on my skin. To keep the makeup looking natural, I take only a bit of it. Let me show you. I only take this much of foundation. I think it's enough for my whole face, and it has medium coverage, so I think it would be enough. And the next thing that I'm going to do, if you follow me on Pinterest, you might already know, I like to take a little bit of moisturizer and mix it with foundation like this, and mix it really well. And this is what I'm going to apply on my face using my fingers only. So I have I've applied the foundation right now, and this is how my face looks. So I'm going to use a little bit of foundation again to cover the imperfections and dark circles. So I'm taking a little bit of foundation again. So I'm going to apply a bit of foundation. My base is done, so I'm going to use this Nykaa Beachside Peach palette today, and this is the first time actually I'm using this eyeshadow palette. Before this, I used to use the Revolution Sofx palette. That is also good. I think let's try this palette right now. And I'll be using 2 brushes here. First one is Wet n Wild. This is eyeshadow application brush, and the second one is from Nykaa. It is eyeshadow blending brush. So first of all, I'm using this eyeshadow application brush. I'm applying, I don't know the shade name, but this shade actually, in my crease. And what I like to do when I apply any shade on my crease, because I have hooded eyes, so I apply it a little bit above the crease of my eyes. So I'm taking this shade and blend this using this eyeshadow blending brush into the crease. I think I applied a little too much. Just blend. I'm going to do the same, apply this on the crease of my another eye. And for the outer corner of my eyes, I'm going to apply I'm taking this brown shade here, like a little bit of a brown shade, and I'm going to apply that right here, and I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Finally, after blending the outer corner, I'm going to take the lightest shade right here. I'm going to apply that on the inner corner of my eyes. And to keep it more natural looking, I am going to use this Maybelline Tattoo Crayon pen, and it is in the shade brown. And now I'm going to use this brush to smudge the eyeliner that I just applied. Now I'm using the same eyeliner again, now to tightline my eyes. I really like this liner. The only problem that I face with this liner that it is like not that good for precise application, so I really have to work a lot with this one. So if you have any recommendation, then let me know in the comments below. Let's tightline this. That is going to take lots of energy. This is how it looks right now. I'm going to blend it in using the brush. I'm using this this unknown brush again to blend this liner out, and I'm going to do the same on the second eye. Eyeliner is done, so now I'm going to curl my eyelashes with this eyelash curler. I got this from Forever 21, and then I'm going to apply this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I don't wear makeup that much, so I think I've been using it for I don't know, 4 or 5 years. I think it's expired, so I hope to get a new one as soon as I can, but for now this will do good. The key to curl your eyelashes is to make weird faces. I'm going to apply this mascara that I've already described only on the tip of my eyelashes and not on the roots, like this, I think. So this is my eye look that is finished. That means 70% of the makeup is done, because the most difficult part of a makeup look is definitely the eyes, and I need to do a lot of practice. But tell me in the comments how I did today. I have this e.l.f. Cosmetics Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and I'm going to use this one. And the other side as well. And now for the face, I'm going to apply this Hoola Benefit Bronzer. It comes with a brush, so I'm going to use this brush a little bit on my forehead, like this. For the blush, I'm using this K-Beauty blush in the shade Soft Nude. It is quite pigmented. A little bit of my nose. Oh my god, this is too much. It's extra. Actually, I applied too much on my nose, so I've removed it. is the makeup remover I use. This is micellar water by Garnier. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I have texture around the cheeks and on my forehead. So I like to apply only a little bit of highlighter, otherwise it enhances the texture. And now moving to the lips. For lips, I want to mention that you just need one lip liner, that is K Beauty lip liner in the shade Hype. And this lipstick, actually it suits all Indian skin tones, and this is actually one of the best lipsticks that I've ever owned. This is Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Seductress. These are the two things, lip products you would ever need. And now I'll be using this Maybelline lipstick. Dab it on your lips a little bit. And I'll be using my fingers to blend this lipstick. I hope you guys liked this video and this finished makeup look. If you really enjoyed watching this video, then like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I hope to see you guys in next video. Bye bye. So this was the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you really did, then like my channel. No, I hope you guys then like this video, share, cut.